Hi, I'm Dr. Wright at Highland Park Animal Hospital, and today I wanted to talk to you about some of the ins and outs of cold laser therapy and how we use it in cats. My friend Jess is going to be asking some of the questions that most of you guys probably have about laser therapy, and hopefully this helps you understand why we use it.
Dr. Wright, what is cat laser therapy and how is it used?
Laser therapy, we actually use it in both cats and dogs, but it is a low level light as opposed to like the high intensity that causes heat that we think of. This is very low intensity. It's lower wavelength, so actually you don't feel anything. And what it does is it stimulates blood flow to injured tissues. It also will help with wound healing, those damaged cells that causes them to turn over and repair themselves a lot faster.
How is laser therapy able to improve the health and well-being of my cat?
Any chronic inflammation, cold laser therapy will help. So cats, we typically think of arthritis as that being the main reason we'd use it. Any kind of new wound caused by trauma, any kind of broken bones, those would all be conditions that we'd use the cold laser.
Why is it important to avoid self-diagnosing whether my cat is experiencing pain?
I think a lot of times our cats are in pain and we don't realize it. We think it's normal for cats to sleep for 24 hours a day, but that's not necessarily the case. I think a lot of times they are sedentary because they're uncomfortable, and so I don't want that to go unignored. Cats are great at hiding their illnesses, so anytime we think a cat is just hiding away or sleeping a lot, that's a good time to bring it in and see if your cat is uncomfortable.
What symptoms or conditions in my cat may be treatable with laser therapy?
Arthritis is the most common use of it. Again, it stimulates blood flow. Blood brings in all those good healing factors that we need. Chronic wounds, skin wounds that we see, even just with allergies can be helped. New traumatic wounds, we think of the outdoor cat with bite wound abscesses. Those are all good indications for laser.
How long will it take for my cat to begin experiencing relief from their symptoms?
Some cats experience relief right away. Because it's cold laser, it doesn't get hot, there's no buzzing sound to scare them. Most of the time they just lay there. It takes less than 15 minutes, and sometimes I think it feels so good that they immediately fall asleep. Some cats, you should notice a difference within a day or two if your cat is experiencing relief from the laser.
Is laser therapy capable of curing my cat?
Laser therapy alone probably will not cure your cat. We use it as part of our multimodal therapy. Cats, we don't have a great option for arthritis pain medication. It's difficult to give a cat a pill every single day for arthritis, so we use it in conjunction with other things. Wound care, it will help dramatically shrink that wound pretty quickly, but again, alone, it's probably not going to cure your cat, but it does definitely help.
How many treatments might my cat require if laser therapy is recommended?
It depends on the condition. Usually with arthritis, we start with a couple times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how easy it is to bring your cat in. And once we start seeing some relief, then we start to back down to even, once a week to once a month. Wound care, we do it almost every other day until that wound is healed.
Could my cat experience any side effects from laser therapy?
That's the great thing, is there are no side effects. So no systemic side effects. Again, it doesn't even scare them. It doesn't hurt. There's no heat. They generally don't feel anything with it except for some relief.
How will my veterinarian decide upon laser therapy as a treatment option for the cat?
Again, it depends on why your cat is uncomfortable. Again, I think if you bring your cat in for a wellness exam and we feel like there's some discomfort with the joints, then we can talk to you about multimodal therapy for your cat's arthritis. If you have any questions regarding laser therapy, please don't hesitate to call us. We'll gladly help make an appointment with one of our doctors, and we can decide if laser therapy is right for you.